Hello everyone, let's make quinoa salad for pregnant women. Quinoa is rich in antioxidant, which helps with cholesterol and blood sugar level. For dressing, in a bottle add 2 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is nothing but the paste of roasted sesame seeds. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is very good for our heart. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to give a sweet flavor to our salad. Add pinch of salt. For some tanginess, add some lime juice to our dressing. Close the cap and shake the bottle well that all the ingredients will mix with each other very well. Keep it aside. Let's chop some cherry tomatoes and cucumbers in cubes. You can use any kind of vegetables as per your choice. More vegetables will add more nutrition to our salad. Even you can use different kind of fruits. Now in a mixing bowl, add half cup of sprouted quinoa. Now add our chopped cucumber and chopped cherry tomatoes. Here I am adding some boiled sweet corn. Adding some cooked red beans and chickpeas to it. Now it's time to add our prepared salad dressing. Add some chaat masala for some chatpata flavor. To make my salad even more healthy, I am adding some microgreens. Give it a good mix. This protein-packed salad is very good for everyone, especially for the pregnant women. Top with some pomegranate seeds. I hope you enjoyed this simple and quick recipe. Be sure to subscribe Mylo and hit the bell icon.